A nightingale sitting on the top of an oak, singing her evening song, was spied by a hungry hawk, who swooped down and seized her. The frightened nightingale prayed the hawk to let her go. "If you are hungry," said she, "why not catch some large bird? I am not big enough for even a luncheon." "Do you happen to see many large birds flying about?" said the hawk. "You are the only bird I have seen today, and I should be foolish indeed to let you go for the sake of larger birds that are not in sight. A morsel is better than nothing."